My name is Prashant, part of Uprising Music Festival as the co-producer, also known as DJ Skitz. We're here with my sound engineer Ratu Joe, who has been part of Want to Wait and now Dewa and Dewa Lasu Band, and he's here tonight mixing for our promo video, and him and all his team has been practicing tonight. Over to you, Ratu Joe.
Jamming tonight, yeah, everybody's looking forward to Uprising. I've played in Uprising since it started.
And it's a big challenge for us because knowing one of our leaders, George Fiji has passed away and he's into another level. But my purpose to produce this show was to get all the home locals, the legends, they're already at home. Let's celebrate into a festival. So we're having a Legends Festival this year at FMF Uprising Music Festival, and including is Dewa Lasu, Dewa Band, the Laisabula Koro, Georgie Ladanua, Terusa Revi, the most important Black Rose coming on board, and from Pack Harbor is Bits and Pieces, Coconut Grove, and Sojourners. They're all coming down, and this year we'll be introducing our Kemikeliana, the reggae band, which is Bandish. Coming here, they've just been performing here tonight. They will be showcasing all on Fest of November. And together with that is coming up a Bow Dance Group and Masti Dance Group. Suva Music, they're all coming down. And coming down on my left, Frank, do you want to say a word to the Uprising Music Festival for the lovers?
Hello everybody, hope you guys will come out in numbers and enjoy the vibe, enjoy the music.
Just wanted to share with this fella, David. David is a close family friend, the bloodline, the only last bloodline from George Fiji Koso. And please say a word.
Thank you. It's going to be great to be in the Uprising Festival, music festival. And we can see tonight that Dewa is going to be there. And we'll be there. It's great fun, it's a great celebration.
Coming down here is these musicians from Dewa Music Band. Let's say hello to. And the Queens, can you please face the camera?
Hola.
What songs you guys gonna be coming up on the 1st of November at Uprising Music Festival?
We'll let you guys find out.
Buy ticket first?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Here, if you come down here, this is the Junior Ratu Joe. He's been 10 times gold medalist in his new street zone.
Very much so.
This is the guy, the owner, the producer, the founder of Bandi's band. And do you want to say a word, man?
It's an honor to be a part of the festival and hope to see you all. Thank you.
Thank you. This is the guy who will be the stage manager, Neil Bachu, all the way from Calcana.